the next section for this video. Okay, so we're gonna do just 2 more questions for this section, and then I need to do addition and subtraction. All right, let's do something like this one. Let me see. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna do 2 more questions. Okay, question 6. Question 6 is a square minus 5a divided by a square minus 4a minus 5. Right. Okay, the common factor of the top is a. The highest common factor is a, and the other factor is a minus 5. All right, and this is another mnemonic. So we're gonna find 2 factors or 2 brackets. Okay, so we need to find 2 numbers. I'm gonna put the bracket first. I'm gonna put the bracket, and I'm gonna put a and a, and then we're gonna say this. So we need to find 2 numbers that when you times them together, the answer is -5, but when you add them, the answer is -4. All right, so we need to find those 2 numbers, and you can see that the numbers are +5 and -1. Okay, let's check. 5 times -1 is -5, and 5 minus 1 doesn't work, so it should be the other way around. Okay, so this should be minus and this should be plus. So I'm gonna fix that one if I come. So this is plus, and this should be take away. All right, so this have to be +1 and this have to be -5. So then it works because we have -5 times +1 is -5, and then we do -5 plus 1, the answer is -4. Great. Okay, and then we have a minus 5, a minus 5. So I mean that the answer at the end is a over a plus 1. Okay, so one more question. Question 7. Question 7. Let's do something very, very tricky. All right, let's say, okay, so this is the last question. So this will be probably targeting the top 5% of the class. Let's say that you got a plus b squared minus c squared, then divided by 3a plus 3b, then minus 3c. Right. Okay, let's see. In here, we have one square minus another square. Okay, and that is what we call the difference of 2 squares. The only thing that, they look different because normally in here we have a square minus b square, but in here we have a plus b in bracket square minus c square, but the structure is the same. Okay, so whenever you have a square minus c square, then on the other side you're going to have 2 brackets. So you're going to put 2 brackets. All right. And then what we put inside of the bracket is a plus b plus c. So you're going to put a plus b and then plus c. Okay, that's what we do when we do difference of 2 squares. So you do this plus this, and then you do a plus b minus c. Okay, so you do whatever you have in here, plus this, and then whatever you have in here minus this. That's why I did these two brackets. And then let's see what happened at the bottom. So we can see that the common factor is 3. So it's 3, and then you're going to have A plus B minus C. And that is great now, because you can see that we have A plus B minus C, and in here we have A plus B minus C, so we can take this big bracket and this one as well. So I mean that the final answer is A plus B plus C all divided by 3. All right. Okay, so now you should be able to do the factorization from one of the booklets that I gave you. Okay, let me see if I can find exactly where I told it down. Okay, now if you are in my class, then you should be able to do all these questions. Okay, so these are all factorization of algebraic fraction. Okay, but you don't need to do, I tell you what you don't need to do. So you don't need to do question 19. Okay, you don't need to do question 23, and you don't need to do, let me see if there is any other thing. Yeah, don't do question 28. Okay, and I believe that you can do, or you should be able to do all the other questions. Okay, so this is unit 16. All right, so after doing all this question, you should be able to fully complete this page, this unit 16. Okay, so for homework, we're gonna say homework, to unit 16. Okay, so that is going to be your homework. Okay, and I'm going to highlight it. All right. Okay, so that will end the first part of what we are doing. Okay, so you can see this will be 3 videos. Okay, so this first section I broke it up into 3 videos because otherwise it's a bit too long and it takes a long time to upload it. Okay, so I will see you on the next video.